So we're going to show you how to put on piping. You want a zipper foot like this. Put that one. Put the zipper foot on. Like that. Then we're going to pop the cord in the middle of our binding. And we fold those two raw edges together like that. And pop that under there. Put it all the way down. But always pull it in this direction because it will make the needle move over. Stop, line it up. Like that. And what we're doing is stitching as close to the needle as we can. And again, all edges together. So you can see we've stitched really close to the edge of the piping. Then we're going to sandwich it between our two layers. So one like that, raw edges together, and this one on top. What's really important is that we get all three layers nice and close together. I'm just going along, pin it to hold. And I'm going to stitch close to that edge again. So I can feel where the edge of the piping cord is. Stitch nice. You then have your piping cord nicely in the middle, like that.